Interesting footage of a naked man passing by on the road.
Help, please. I need help. Please. Hello? Someone answers and helps me, man. If you're trying to kill me, man.
The leopard that broke into the house while we were playing. Interesting scene captured on camera.
Yeah, way too big. 22 by... Hey bro, I just wanted to stop by real fast. So I'm part of the HOA, the Homeowners Association, and I noticed that you got a new patio set, new chair. So we have a code in the HOA that states you can't have any chair over 20 inches and by 30 inches tall. So right here, this chair is 22 inches by it's 38, almost 40 inches. So that violates the HOA policy right there, that chair and that whole set, to be honest. I'm not going to fine you right now. Just giving you a warning. These chairs and the whole patio set needs to be off your porch by today. No questions. Violates the policy, and that's what it is. You can't have anything over the width of 20, that one's 22, or the height of 30, and that's 38, almost 40. So, almost double. Anyways, if you have any questions, just let me know, but this is just a warning, and if you keep it on there past today, I will give you a fine. Okay, thanks.
The camera of the girl who called her friend gave a funny image moments with the camera.
Hello.